Hey Madlangbangers, so I'm coming to you today with a fresh face because, well, I'm about to go to the grocery store, the most happening place at the moment, and I just thought I'd make like a little get ready with me type makeup tutorial type video. I thought it'd be a bit fun. Anyway, I thought that like a lot of people have been talking about their fears about their love lives at the moment because with everything with the social distancing and all of that stuff, they're all like, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna meet people? How can I look cute when you've got this bloody thing on your face? Well, have no fear, Maddie is here. I am going to make you a look that will accentuate your best assets, which are your eyes. So, without further ado, I will show you a look. So get your hair out of your face and grab your foundation. Little hack here. Your mask is there. You can just like edge around because why would you waste product on an area that can't be seen? There's really no point. So save your money, ladies. Blend, 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 blend. Blend away the virus. Next up, you got concealer. Conceal all the sleepless nights of being kept awake by your dad singing karaoke. Fill in your brows, make them look like they've been plucked recently. Yeah, how is everyone? How are you surviving this whole thing? I need human interaction. I miss people so much. So you want like a really sparkly, smoky look. I'm gonna go for the glitteriest thing. The more obnoxious, the better. Oh yeah. Oh, I like, You're out of this world, girl. You are out of this world. Yes, girl. Then you're gonna apply some blush. The trick is not to apply too much blush because you don't want to look like you have a fever. Ain't no boy gonna resist you, girl. Ain't no boy. Yum. I really can't wait to go to the shops now. I'm so excited to show off this look. It's amazing. Sorry guys. Dad, there's a sign there. It says do not knock unless it's like life or death. Is this life or death? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. So you guys, a package just came through in the mail. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a live unboxing. Okay, you ready? I wonder who it's from. It's got a card. Dearest Madyson, Madlangbayan, I miss you so much. You're the bestest bestie ever. Counting down the days until this is all over so we can all play together again at GC. Love your bestie, Gracie. Oh, Gracie. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh. P.S. Just a little something to help that time come a little quicker. XOXOXOXO. Oh, I miss you, girl. Like, oh. Let's just... I wonder what you got me. Yeah. So, it's the big reveal. What's this? Oh, shit.